Did you know that a Venus flytrap can snap shut in less than a second? It's true. This fascinating plant has specialized leaves that act like a trap, luring unsuspecting insects with its sweet nectar. When an insect touches the tiny hairs inside the trap, it triggers a rapid response. In less than a second, the trap closes, capturing its prey. This quick action is not just for show, it's a survival tactic. The Venus flytrap digests its catch over several days, absorbing nutrients that are scarce in its native body habitats. It's a perfect example of nature's ingenuity, combining beauty with a deadly efficiency. Who knew a plant could be such a skilled predator?